Welcome to another installment of the Dataforma video demo series. This installment will focus on the scheduler. Our latest functionality, nicknamed the scheduler, will be found in the bottom left-hand corner of the Dataforma home screen. The scheduler will allow Dataforma user companies to utilize one scheduling tool, whether they would like to schedule a service crew, set an appointment for a salesman, or even for creating special events for an employee. Instead of using up to 3 calendars to view all company employees, users will easily be able to filter the calendar view by type of work, viewing all work orders, projects, or events on one page. The color-coded map that was previously integrated into the Dataforma work order calendar has been added to the scheduler. Additional functionality now exists within the map, where users can filter by work order status, and projects now plot to the map. One of the biggest time-saving features of the new scheduler is having the ability to create work dates simply by dragging on the calendar. This will eliminate the need to switch back and forth between screens. If for some reason a user has been scheduled for multiple events at the same time, the scheduler will highlight any conflicts in those situations, allowing the user to be able to make quick adjustments on the calendar. Users will have the ability to set defaults to determine which employees are displaying on the calendar. Also, users can quickly search on a user by name or by group of users. In summary, the scheduler will greatly reduce admins' time spent searching through employee calendars, scheduling crews and appointments, and even creating new events. Thank you for taking time to view our latest installment of the Dataforma demo series on the scheduler. If you'd like a more detailed demo that fits your schedule, please go to dataforma.com and click on the free demo link, or you may call us at 866-764-9992 extension 1.